Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well, guys, blessed love. You know, today is the day, you know, where Cranberry is gonna finally meet her sister. Cranberry is gonna finally meet her sister, Diamond Day. Finally. You know, so we're heading into Trenchtown, you know, to meet Esther them and boom. So apparently Esther is gonna drive also, because we're gonna get Diamond Tay's mom. She's also coming, and Diamond Tay's sister and her cousin, and also Daniel as well is gonna come. So it's gonna be a wonderful day. So Cranberry have a big family turning out right there.
Yes, it's gonna be so exciting.
So Diamond Tay is gonna get KFC for them. You know, so Cranberry, you're getting KFC from your sister. And you're getting sweets too.
Yeah. Bought her some UK sweets as well for her to try.
So from sister to sister. It's a sister thing, guys. So yeah, our baby sister. Let me see how Cranberry, she's something else, you know.
She's something else. I see her. She's got a personality.
I'm telling you, she's gonna like, you know, long me not see her.
She's gonna act like she's seen me before.
Yeah. 20 years though. Yes, guys. So yeah, so Diamond Tay finally gonna meet her off also. So yeah. So Cranberry will come in. So guys, so heading into Trenchtown right now. You know, so we can go pick up Daniela and Shara. You know, so Diamond Tay can see again once more where her daddy is from, because she know she been there, you know, she stayed there also in Trenchtown. She stayed in the same house that I grew up, so she know the life already. So that's a good experience for her as well. So she's back home. Trenchtown, that's where the daddy roots is from, Tay. Yes. The roots. So guys, we here just turned into Trenchtown. The daddy roots. Them call it the daddy roots.
I remember it so well here.
You remember it, don't you? Yeah. Of course, you have to remember home. Just like how your mom take you to.
Isn't this where Mikey's from?
Yeah. Mikey and Nanan.
And Nanan.
Yeah. So Nanan were also living down here as well too. Because you know, Nanan mom, you know, live in Seaview. So that's why I got the both side. I got both Trenchtown and Seaview.
Yeah.
So lucky me, I got the both sides.
Also, I have Trenchtown, Seaview, and Spanish Town.
And Spanish Town, so Esther here. Esther!
That's
Esther. Okay. He can get locked out?
If you stay out there.
Yeah, frames get locked out. Aye. Alright, we'll park up here, so. Make you walk up to the house. Okay. Your next cousin to come. And the mic. Come. 30 grand. Yeah. Oops. There's Diamond Tay. Diamond Tay, that's 30 grand. Whoa. That's wow, chef. That's boom. Well, I get Daniela as well too. Oh, Jackson.
Never passed Jackson a while ago, man. Gotcha.
Just come off for work.
It's a kickback, man. I go and look on my phone, man.
Oh,
It's a kickback.
it's my daughter, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get Daniela and come. Come, be sure about daddy home. Sure about daddy home. Oh, dad.
Wait, last time I came, this wasn't here, was it?
Yeah, well, it was a different one. A different one. Barney Bob.
Yeah, Peter.
I want to take a picture of it.
Yeah. You want to take it now?
I just want to take a picture of it.
Oh, come here. Look, I should get that picture yesterday. Alright, so yeah. China man. Diamond here. Hello.
Hi.
Remember?
Yeah?
Remember?
I try to pick up.
I'm a daughter, man.
Daughter, oh! Yeah, alright. Yeah. I should get taller, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stretching.
Everybody
Here is daddy. Oh. Here's a daddy home. Right here. Yeah. Shara. Daniela. What you say?
Hi.
This is your cousin, Shara.
She not remember.
You remember?
A little bit.
A little bit?
So me a good though.
Yeah.
He's the next cousin down here, the one that grows a lot. So welcome to your daddy ex home, where your daddy used to live.
You went in there? I know where you go. Vevo.
Yeah. I said right here, I used to have see the big plum tree here? And this year I used to put a rope, have a swing song in the yard right here. Yeah. Right in here. So nothing much changes. You ready, Shara? Alright. So you see, look at Daniela, she's getting tall.
Oh, yeah. How old is she?
Tell her how old are you? 12. And she runs as well too.
Yeah, she's tall.
Stand up, see too. See, look at that. It's all in the family. And she run as well too, you know. She run. So guys, so where the team is rolling out and everything. Go on. So this is the back of it.
You see?
No, that's the primary part. The eye part is right up there, but it's changed now. You know, but this field is where Daddy used to play football. You know, this is where he used to play over there. But that's the school there in front of you. So you're rolling through Daddy's school.
So is this the primary you went to?
No, I never went to that primary. I went to a different primary. Then I come to this one. Well, I come to this one after I left the Netherlands because of violence. So I ended up coming to this one.
Right around the corner as well.
Yeah, so it's right here. This is it. We used to play football and everything right in there. This is Trenchtown. We used to call it Trenchtown Comprehensive High School. So this is Daddy's school right here looking at.
Trenchtown.
Yeah, now it's changed to college now. Change to college. So, changes in life.
I hadn't seen where you guys came from.
So the roots. diamond there was. Fusion, right there.
That food was good.
Yeah. Fusion. At least in here is not too full. Okay, good. Good.
Yeah, wow. That is a lot. KFC.
That is 2 buckets, 112 and 120. Yeah? But listen, she has a worry about what me spend, and she not worry about what she buy. And when she come and daddy send this to what she buy. Yeah? So when the money I was send, and Esther was sending. Yeah, so you know, Esther know my house I send come here. So you go like you and spend.
You spent a
I would use a combo. But the one of them was
Now I'm gonna give him a break when I go back about a month to get the money back up, and then I'll start asking again.
No, so we say you're not gonna ask him for no money for till when?
For a month.
For 1 month?
Until the beginning of summer in the UK, so that's about June. So I'll come back by the end of May, beginning of June.
Yes, Diamond is she's not going to be asking me for no money for now till like in the summer.
Yeah, until summer.
Why? Tell them why.
Because he spent so much since I've been here. So when I convert everything into pounds, I'm like, because I didn't know that it was that much.
Yeah. But she must know that because she's my princess, you know. She's very expensive. And the mom says she's doing well in school, so if she wasn't doing well, trust me, I don't wish her birthday, but she was spending that for so long. So lucky
And I had the best birthday. This whole holiday is basically my birthday. The best.
yes, lucky day. Yes, the diamond is she not ask for no money till it's close to summertime. So she's gonna give me a break. That's good. So I'm gonna give you a break. Never far. Exactly, that's 2 months break. She's giving me a 2-month break. Yeah. She's giving me a 2-month break.
Yeah. Don't take a break, I take a adult back.
Summer will be gone. Movements of job people. No, can we bring up the seat?
Alright.
Yeah. That one. Eh? Yeah, no, I pick up
Other juice there. Bring the next
bring the next one. General. Rocky. Manners, man. One Rocky. Yeah. Okay. Big up, man. One Rocky in the building.
Up here?
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Driver. Rocky. Alright guys, so we just got some KFC. You know, so now we're gonna head to pick up Diamante mom. And then now we're gonna head to Cranberry them after. So Esther them is there in the next vehicle and we here early. So stay tuned. We'll make a quick stop and then head on. Whoa.
Black man.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Oh.
Be a man over there.
Yeah. What's up? Thing up there.
30 grand.
Yeah, man.
From there, mom, right there. Dynamite. See, it's a liquid out here. Sure.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
And this is Esther.
Yeah, new face.
Yeah. Alright, so. So we just reached. Oh, listen, rain was falling up in the hills. Way up in the hills. Yeah, so the water is brown right now. Yeah, water is brown. So, but boy, we're still going up there. KFC them is here. The KFC them there. Yeah, so. And Cranberry knows her sister there. Cranberry knows her sister there. Oh, Cranberry, I gotta say, I think I want to see you.
Long time
20 years now. Dash, I gotta say 20 years now. You know what I mean? I asked her, how long do you not see her? What kind of parking this? Around it. What kind of parking this?
Yeah, parking is good. That no, can't good. This can't good at all.
That one, no.
What's the next side there?
The sun around there. You know what kind of parking this? You know what I mean? No consideration for no say your people after pass. Look at the man park, black up all the way. Come on.
I'm ready to start the gas run down.
So you know like height, you know.
have to watch. Somebody are going
30 grand. I'm hold the chicken and I forgot guide them, especially Thai and I like height. Yeah. You so high there? Eh? Yeah, jump in bag. Taya, good?
to run off, yeah. That's run off, that?
Yeah. Run off most of the time up here. And that's alone just put out the bag? Yeah, guys, look, the water brown. Yeah? Yeah. Brown, man. Hot chocolate. If we're walking on the water. Yeah.
Oh, put in this bag. Nene, take your slippers out. Wait, make one of them lead you.
Diamond, if you can jump on the rock right there, so you can step across. Right. Watch out, put the chicken and just come back. Come. Whoa. Yeah, come. You don't want to go in the water. I'm going in the water. You can't bury them that come down. Okay, what around the side then? Go on up. Oh, listen to that.
Yeah?
Alright, go on. I don't need your already. I'm going to say, it's about she there, you could have walked around. I'm just coming up. No, no, come. Come. Can't step in the water. Can't walk right in the water. Yeah. Look, see where I'm going to walk?
Yeah. It's not slippery?
No. Right, if I see him walk.
Hey, no, careful.
Go on, Tete. Go on, Tete. Tired. Give me a bag. Tired, if you could have stepped on the rock and step, that's good enough. The fire. The fire.
Danny, line up.
Take the bag from her, yeah? Whoa, take the bag. She not in the L. Remember she athletic, you know. Sharon at you know. Yeah. Listen, I your sister dog.
Where's my sister?
Don't make my cat
Eh?
No, I'm not in the no, may
I want to go for daddy. And I'm even hug your sister then.
No, I take her, I take her, my sister for you and all the time.
What's
So that's me and sister.
Yeah. Oh. Then a first who that Cranberry?
Me first year, can I say, who I say, a two woman, I say, hold on. So she has I know them. I mean, I say, Akeynote alone. I Esther alone can't tell me, say, she has come and ask that one. When me am home, him after that, the front are coming things, they want to.
Hey, listen. Well, me get the two. Me get the two sister them. How about your sister? How can I hug that? How can I hug her while I go? How long you know see her? 20 years. How long you know see her?
20.
20 what years? I said long she don't see that.
I tell me say she have to stay at her granny, you know, so this is the sister not go on.
Yeah. Hey.
Yes, you come too late, you will come down.
Yeah.
The water here and this. You know, see river come down, you see the song of me, say me go sing, I just have a week come on. And say me I go sing, me say me can't balance it.
Yeah, she make you laugh the whole day, you know. You don't stop like. Hey, listen, that's Diamond to your mom right there. And that's Diamond to your sister. You know.
Tell me, call two of them just look for each other, so two of them. I don't see here alone can tell me say two of them.
Yes, sir.
It's two sisters, man. She and she.
Your sister that too? Yeah. So go and hug your sister now. Hug your sister there. Yeah. Yes. So one next sister there, and your sister that too?
Yes, I'm sure she have something there.
Take the KFC from her. Give me the KFC. Go and hug your next sister. Yes. 30 grand. What is that? 30. Eh? But talk. Come and talk. Talk. You've been shy. You get shy. Eh?
Trying like Cranberry.
Yeah, no man, Cranberry not shy. Cranberry not shy at all. So,
So my sister come.
So we are go over the side there. Yeah?
And so my sister come, me not hide.
No. Listen, we are go over that side then.
And I say, yes, so you're pretty like me black and you.
Where's one of them?
Yeah, what you say?
Oh, she. Yes, sir. It's a Cranberry. Cranberry says you're pretty like me. I mean, Cranberry.
And my sister, me a guy. Come here, I'm a cute sister.
Yeah. Up here, sir. Let them walk up here, sir. Yeah. Cranberry, lead them. Go on, lead the sister them, Cranberry. You tell you, walk bare feet.
Yeah.
Go and get grounded. No, sir. Toko, you're moving shy. Hey, Tara. Not the bag. Come, Tara. Come, to. Guys, Cranberry is something else, man. I tell you. Cranberry is really, really something else. You see the house there where we are? The house where we are fixed.
You take the slippers because who them are drop down for.
You need to get grounded, man.
Alright.
Give me the bag so you can balance. Kenisha!
Mommy!
So that's the house we are dealing.
Right now I'm over there. It's your father. Yes.
Kenisha, you're hiding.
She did part of the
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yeah, you then put her back. Take time to photograph. You love job, you know. You love it. So see him get one more job. What? And the food alone, me I take out of here.
Yeah, let me leave up here. Just take your time.
She loves job, you know that one, yeah, bro.
Okay, good? You make Felicia see a job, you know.
Where's Felicia the drop?
No make Felicia see a job.
Felicia want company.
No make Felicia see a job. Yeah. So this is the kitchen where we cook at when we're up here. Yeah. Who want phone?
She said she wants to take a picture.
Oh, your sister want her phone? Yeah, take a picture of the sister.
You see a girl where we go here every time I was selling weed.
Bibi.
She bring up all the papi.
Oh, yes, that me here.
She tell him some colors and knock out everybody.
And then you can save it.
Yes, you can save it. Oh, yeah. All thing you can is put your foot in the water same way. Can I run off, man? I get clear, better.
I try to run out the water and go down there. This man,
How's it feel to meet your sister now?
Nice.
Nice.
No, la mua siar.
How long?
20 years. Come here to mother. Look now, George, if you see her, George, you got an wet name, got an ton. If you don't see her come here, tell him, say, I come today. Him tell me, say, no. Even if they have come.
Yeah.
Evening. Come Kenisha.
Mommy, see my sister, yeah? Mommy, the three of them are my sister. Yeah, the other one.
Hi, this is Cranberry, Mom.
Cranberry, man. So you see the one them get the same here.
Yeah. They have one of them.
And she as well too. Cranberry's sister this. Toko shy out.
Toko? Alright?
You hot? When you go right at the opening there so I get some breeze there. You want to eat now?
Yes.
Nene, ready to eat, Nene? JD, you ready to eat? Long time.
That's probably cool.
Nana go for the plate them food?
Yeah, for them plate.
We share on the table. Say your sister bring KFC for you.
Thank you, sister. And may God bless you.
Sister bring KFC and she bring sweets.
You know, she not left nothing, you know, she bring everything to all her way.
Oh.
You know, she said she need look like she don't want to go one back a river. She come for swim too. And the river come down.
What are you going to do? How should I swim?
She must have come back another day.
Your sister say ever come back another day. But when you get the chicken, you can go down on the rock.
It's cooler down there.
Yeah.
We don't want barbecue.
I wish one that.
No, it's a barbecue.
Are the 20 one there?
Yeah, because we don't want to have the fries. It's a coleslaw.
I 12 this?
Yeah.
Oh. Look different here. Oh, that one looks so less. You sure? I 12 one?
Probably put the 21 bucket with that one.
Yeah, that man said this is like
What's in this?
one.
This is like mashed potatoes.
Yeah, that's the
Chips.
Which part of the chicken you want?
Leg and
They mix them up barbecue and
Yeah, barbecue is spicy and original.
one barbecue, one spicy. Yeah.
mix them.
You know, you only want stuff really there.
Tammy, pick up that bag.
I trim
Put some of the bag them over here. So the bag them on this table. The bag. Not? Guys, the river came down. But it never came down, it just brown. Guys, as you can see, it was raining up in the hills. But Cranberry, it wasn't raining up here. Should I rain up here? Look a bit. No man, I just up in the hills to rain.
How far we far that go when you see that drip back like the rain roll up. And that's the stuff that you look like rain fall up here. Like rain fall up here, everything we have to wake up.
You're not rain fall up here.
Take off on the plate already? So I never eat none of them.
Thank you.
Yeah, leave your chicken already.
Go and bring her. Go and tell your sister what she forgot. Tete, you can go up on the rock there, so. It's too high?
Yeah, Daddy, make sure you see that. So, because she know I'm buying.
She don't like height.
Yeah?
You don't get hurt.
Come on, you share. If me I eat, you have to eat.
Oh, you say you are eat, she have to eat.
Yes. Start running. You know, say, who dog a puppy? You see one where I run up, the woman. That's why you see my smell you.
Good girl, man.
Look, I feed the whole of them. Nah, my person is going to
Come, Cranberry, come for the chicken.
Eating a Michelle pan and a cha-cha. Nah, look for the food.
That's you shall look for. Diamond, you're looking at your sister. I miss she miss her, man. No. Go for them. Can't be for them. She miss her, man.
And she mother.
Your mother is?
Yeah.
She don't say Diamond for 20 years and Diamond is 19. Cranberry or something else, you know.
Yes, I know George, you know, see her. Him should have there. You today for see her. Gonna Ganton. Pay cream and something.
Put this on the Cranberry. It's not too spare one, man.
Cranberry go eat with your sister.
No, I must get.
Look here.
Yeah, you can hear my sister.
So go on near your sister. Go on near your sister, yeah.
The smaller one, I'm going to get one.
Dana, we put on a banana.
So you know reserve food.
When I eat chicken, you know that already.
So you can't. This is the if. So what if you're stuck here?
Stuck? There's no stuck in here. So I always wonder what if. There is no if. Who that? Oh, there is no if at all.
And then chicken is all you have to eat. What if you
And then you want
chicken, nothing else?
Yes, jackfruit, obviously.
Yeah. Listen now, I will survive. I will survive.
As long as there's trees around.
Yeah. I will survive. You know what I'm saying? As long as I know how to live. I know I stay alive.
What?
All them traders can steam them down here, you know that. So because chicken I smell up my nose, I'm not eat none.
You're not tempted?
I'm not tempted. And it smells so good.
Yeah.
Want another?
Toko.
Toko.
Thank you. So that's another comedy.
I'm gonna get chips, get biscuits.
Potato.
Give me one. How many them wrap we?
It looks so. Take out one after that.
Probably the mother.
Okay.
Cranberry carry.
Yeah.
This is
Tara.
more. Tara are eat them here?
Close there.
Want to eat biscuit? Need a biscuit too?
You want a biscuit in also?
There is a bucket?
There's too much ants down there.
Too much ants? This is the mash.
I mean, them at the mashed potatoes are nice. Let me try it. You're not gonna like it, so you don't like it.
That's right.
Make them try. Don't try the grapefruit. Because the gravy not nice. Maybe because we know you not gonna like it. Try the gravy.
So try the mash.
Try the gravy side. Money.
She keep on a taste and a eat same time. Which is it?
You want it? Yeah. It's alright.
It's alright.
What's this coleslaw?
Long time I don't see she. What's your name again?
Ari.
Ari. Ari, where were you? You were hiding. But she get tall too, you know?
Ari?
Yeah, Ari get tall.
Yeah, because
You eat healthy?
broccoli.
Broccoli? Okay, you hear that, yeah? So that's why she get tall. And so she eat broccoli.
Oh, good girl.
So if you want to get tall, you have to eat healthy.
Yeah.
Eat broccoli.
And get
That's why
healthy,
it's
right?
called.
Eat broccoli.
Yeah, eat a lot of broccoli. I said diamond healthy. Eat broccoli.
Tall this is. You must have healthy tall.
Cranberry, I got singing at them ears down there, so. Yeah. I see. Yeah, real storyteller. You know. So you say happy to see your sister? Hmm? You happy to see your sister? Yes. You sure?
Yes. My father come. George come.
You come?
I thought me leaving away walk. I must have road him walk and nobody see him.
Look how my foot looks red.
The stone.
The stone them here.
A long time I not swim up here.
Hello, where will you swim? Where will you swim?
Go on there, so. Alright, boys, so right here, so where there?
Yeah.
This was a pool. Them set up the sandbag them. Right along here. Right here. So the water will reach you up here.
Okay.
But when the river come down, it wash it down.
Yeah.
But around the next side, around there, so you have a pool around there as well too. But you can't swim. You have a sandbag here.
My foot is hurting.
So I'm going to show you on the next side?
Yeah. My foot. Oh, going to the next side? Yeah. Then look, come.
Which one? I must say the best place for them.
I'll show you the next time when they will actually swim.
Yeah.
No, you can't swim now.
No. Is the bag wash away around there?
You can swim?
We're not going around the front one here.
You can swim?
Yeah, what? The whole family of fish.
Because they live near river.
Yeah, especially the youngest one. All of them can swim.
Yeah.
Not big swimmer, the whole of them, man. The only she and them cousin this now, but she can't swim. But the whole of them can swim. Yeah. Even look at baby where you see?
Can swim?
Big swimmer, man. Yeah. The river, we're going to look around there and come back. Come.
My lip plumper's in your bag. No, it's not yours. Then my lip plumper's in. No, you see how she's teeth? She teeth out my lip gloss. And she put it, look. That was a dog chocolate.
Did she put it in her bag?
Yeah, and you see how, remember when I was asking for her, I was like, Mommy, did you teeth out my lip plumper?
Oh.
It's right here.
Why you take out her thing? Why you take out my daughter thing?
Take out, give it to me. It's mine.
Diamond, who's it?
It's mine, I bought it. She bought it for me. I never bought it for her, it was mine and she likes it. She keeps it, ever since her birthday I put it on her. She keeps it. Yeah, she does. What's the stick one?
The green one.
The green one still, that's green one.
Are they big?
Yeah.
Alright, come we'll go show them on the next side of the river.
Go on the next side.
Yeah. Come Nana. Guys, it would be nice for them to swim. But they can't swim because
She wants some of the sea.
somebody? Oh, you want to give them? But where the rest of them?
I'll give you the big one to share for now.
Yes, I will come back.
No, but you want to hold them there one time.
Huh?
No, we have to one for share that we say.
Yeah, but you want Toko and Tara to be here also.
No, they bring it up there. Come sister, bring it and you bring it.
Let them come. One call them because we are going on the next side. Come. So come.
So bring the bag?
Yeah.
Sharing us. Where's my phone?
Where's your phone?
Where's
Where's our phone?
I have it.
Meanwhile, today.
No. This is I take care of her back in England.
Yeah, bring her. Cranberry, you want to go to England with them?
Yes, Daddy.
You tell the shot something else, you know. Let's see. Esther, now I want to go to the next side, go show them. Yeah. Okay.
Oh man.
Step up. Show them so you're a soldier. Felicia can't see you drop, you know. If Felicia ever see you drop, Felicia look to see who a drop, you know.
Felicia bring me not rock.
30 grand. I left them bag there, so.
What is it?
What's the mangoes?
What is it?
Well,
Tickle lizard.
That's the big lizard that I was talking about.
there's no big lizard.
This is different from lizard.
Yeah, mongoose is not a lizard.
This is more like a monkey.
Yeah, look like a them baby fox.
Yo, I
Come.
I'm not drinking. No, don't do that.
Yeah, see none, man. Just take on the time. Oh, your sister afraid?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell her to stop being afraid.
She's being afraid. Diamond, your sister say you must stop being afraid.
One day, innit?
One day.
Until then, please.
So welcome through the wilderness. Katie, would you live here? In the bushes? If there's no lizard.
Yeah, Lord.
But if there's no lizard, right?
If there's no animals and if I had Wi-Fi.
Of course you have Wi-Fi.
Is that the pool?
The pool as well to the same thing. See it?
Oh. Yes.
She said it's deep and that I take them take them to my
Yeah.
bag.
We would have been able to swim on.
Yeah. So you see the so you see where the empty spaces that I have back there. So it could have full up and you could have jumped from there and truck off. But too bad. Yeah, they painted. They painted.
Yeah, we soon get more jungle after. I started now get nothing. Oh, you know you just. Let it come here, I have something to tell you.
Some people walk past, where them go?
And I water them. And I do to water them swim too.
Them gone back?
Yeah.
I'm going back someone.
Oh.
When we are eating, never see some people pass and go up.
No. Yeah?
Somebody swimming there?
Of course, them swimming at same way, you know.
See where people swimming at see where.
Me not swimming at that chocolate water there.
I look on your foot when I go in. It's so dirty.
No.
Exactly. I just say there's a lot of look there. I mix Milo.
So cheap, but tomorrow come back anytime I get clear.
If you bring them tomorrow.
Bring them tomorrow.
Me I bring my sister tomorrow.
You bring her? Who you bring tomorrow?
Yeah, we're going to the pool. They got different part from my birthday.
Which way I go?
Yes, I am. So why you don't want to bring my sister to the other birthday party?
Which other birthday party? Which other birthday shut up, boy, sir? Which other birthday at that? Ask your sister.
Yeah, give me attitude.
Yes.
Let's have it there. Stop. I when she got me, I'm not going to talk to you.
Nana, where should I go with Nana?
Nana still around.
Nana still a munch her chicken. Yeah.
Nana the wishbone. And the wishbone that's in come like the shower.
We make a wish.
And my some birthday I come and she said,
The birthday I come? When?
when I tell you.
When she know? When is your birthday? What's that? No? The 18th hour. Nana face. Nana, when our birthday, Nana?
The 19th of May.
Oh. You know your birthday.
No, because I don't want to tell you.
You don't want to tell me?
Because you don't want to bring me out again. We don't want to go to the van some day.
Yeah.
We don't want to go down a fair room.
We don't have points anyway. We lose all the points.
My sister beg for me.
The sister can't beg for you.
You can tell my sister that she want my sister leave.
Think she like you? We go back around there, so.
Thank you, tell you.
Tell me what? Sure. You better make sure bring you with her.
Toko, Kina, Kari, and Tara.
Tara, come for sweetie.
She a boss, she away from her mother.
Tara, come for sweetie. Harry.
Come up.
Tell you what's where Harry there.
Harry? Yeah, Harry get tall.
Come now.
Harry, so she eat healthy. She eat broccoli.
Harry.
Oh, for this is the family.
Yeah.
Wow.
When is that? Them two.
Okay, yes.
No, just.
Yes, you feel our brother. Never look for our brother.
Okay, yo.
Yeah.
She knows her brother.
And that's our mom down there.
Okay.
Taya.
And you see funny.
Taya.
And hug me up.
I think kids them father, you know.
Okay.
Charge himself.
Go up. Go near Kina part.
We give them the sweetie then.
Stand up here, so you know he's the leader.
Harry, reach up to.
Why she make you laugh?
Oh, come Harry. Harry.
Check.
You need her. He can cut the part down.
She will not.
Which part? The Cranberry say?
No, that probably.
Oh.
Wow.
That man tell you give your sister sweets, please.
Yeah, sweets now.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one.
What?
You know you what?
I know the one of them I eat.
Yeah, tell them.
I see you, I'm going to be a joke in the pan. You know, most close to that. We're going to eat so much sweet and then people, they have to give.
So now we go share them, mom. So we share them. No, not like so.
That's
Like we pull them all out together.
Yeah.
Like pull them all together and put them in a something and then share them so everybody can get some or something. Because
one them are getting at the evening.
Now we pull out everything and put them in one
Then I
bag.
get everything. Then they not get everything.
Now we put it no.
Just put them
Oh, we got to get one next bag, pull them and throw everything in our one
And
bag.
take out some back.
Yeah, and they give everybody some.
You know, sir. So I don't know. Go ahead,
What you say?
No.
Somebody may go sell. No, she not go sell any, eh? No, you're not selling.
No, yes. Like, look, man, too.
Oh, you're not selling enemies. Okay?
No, like, my friend, them are going to because them say them no want give them no want a free seat, them want
so we have to Esther was just say, sell. You know, Esther, she baptized, you know.
Why is that not help her?
She baptized, you know, sure.
Not change.
Yeah.
I just change overnight. She young, you know.
Yes, you cannot change.
What do you want to change? What do you want to
You have
change?
change. Nice.
Harry, how old are you, Harry?
Nobody know personally. No, my mother alone know.
Yeah, not 3.
You're not 3 years old, stop telling lies.
Yeah.
She don't look 6, she looks like 4.
Toko, Cranberry, she can sell the sweetie. How much you sell them, yeah?
So me go one of them.
No selling.
Better you come back and ask me. Better.
Nah, not gonna make it happy right now. Exactly.
Yeah, go see. Nana
Tara,
can't say nothing.
how much you sell the sweetie, yeah? So you see the whole of a big swimmer, especially the she, the young one swim. Toko, I share the dolphin, you know. Nana, a mermaid.
Is she shy?
Yeah. All of them can proper swim like in a deep water. Cranberry a big swimmer too. Can't really make anybody drunk, because they will see her in the water and feel like say shallow.
Yeah.
And I realize it's deep.
And shoot them up.
What am I deep swimmer, man? Nene?
Like when they were roast.
Nene can swim, right?
They know there's some they want to roast.
The female.
She can swim.
Yeah, for them level is different.
She said she go roast them and eat it from kebab. Them from kebab and roast them and eat them.
Yeah, that them do.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Yeah,
that's the...
on the hill.
Can't fry.
You can go fast though.
Yeah, you want when them run down it, even from them younger, you want to see them jump, them place there. Picture them jumping, run and jump cross. No matter what time of the night, them run and jump. Yeah, them used to it, you know. A Tara face.
Which one? The baby?
Baby one.
So when she get this, she can go away.
Yeah, that's the house that we're building for them.
Daddy, wait for me, yeah, that's so. Daddy,
kitchen and we add another room to it.
wait for me, don't.
Can I see what it looks like?
You want to go up there?
Yeah.
Go on with your sister.
I should not feel a mosquito.
Yeah, go on.
I be, you can't go up there. Yeah, man, you can't walk, man.
Can you manage?
Yeah.
Whoa, chef, help her there. Go on, Cranberry, give your sister a room tour. Can you just finally meet her sister?
What's this one called?
Rough, want a beat.
Should I take off my shoes?
Can go on. Yeah.
Is he taking it off?
That's the kitchen where we're fixing.
Oh, were you at it?
Yeah, people donate, we help them.
Oh, that's nice.
So this, they never have a kitchen, just one room they have, you know.
Oh.
Just that, just right in inside one they have.
Oh.
And that is one honest they alone and they have.
So if I have my shoes on.
Yeah, good one. So I finish up.
Yeah.
The badger come to the ceiling.
Yeah.
So still not finished yet.
Another room.
This was the only room here.
Another room. Fix it up nice and
This is the room we are sleeping.
The whole 6 of them was in here, you know.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, those 6. I did this one.
There's space to another room too?
No, if you look out there, there's no other space. There's no more space.
In one bed and then
Yeah, so the whole 6 of them was sleeping in here.
Oh, wow.
So what we did was add that one there and add the kitchen and then add a bathroom to it.
That's nice.
6 of them.
I can imagine 6 people in one bed.
One bed, this bed. That's the life.
Yeah, because when we was at Mama, that's all.
So this bathroom now where the add-on, so we're gonna finish
Try
out.
see if we can add like a light.
There's light there.
There's light in there.
Yeah. I'll probably take out the bulb.
Outside.
I'll take out the bulb.
Yeah, can I say you don't want.
Can recently run these wires as well too and everything. Give them proper breaker. Because you know they never run it properly. So they want to get a proper light. We just finished this. We'll come up here and we just finished this.
And they're so adjusted to it, like they just. Yeah, if I was to be here, I wouldn't know what to do.
No, but you would because you're born.
No, but no, that's what I'm saying. If I was to come here now, I wouldn't know what to do. With them, because they grew up in it, it's like they know how to live by it. They know how to live by it.
But all you have to do is just adapt.
Yeah, you have to adapt to you because you're already born with it, so you don't know anything.
Yeah.
So from you know
anything else.
So from you know to adapt to it, you will adapt.
This is the new room.
Yeah.
You can see the floor that is the new one, and the paint is more.
Yeah. So basically the father did make it, you know, because he can't help himself. So he made that do it. But she diabetic and everything he was taking a couple of time. So we step in now.
So these can't be concrete up here.
No, because this is where them lease. So she was temporary land, you know, when you have a lease and they can't do concrete.
Okay, can't do that.
Yeah. So that's the reason why they don't get concrete. So if they own it now, then they could have get concrete.
Yeah.
You know, so I say stay in Jamaica.
Like sheets. Yeah, I wish I bought like sheets and stuff like that. I don't know where that would have fit. That one is nice. Sheets and stuff.
Well, you can send it with Felicia.
Yeah, or you can even send money either kind.
Yeah, and like pillows and sheets and stuff.
Because my Felicia is coming.
Yeah.
So you can send it with Felicia. Felicia is coming back. And everything. So yes, them try to help themselves, you know, so. From where they're coming from?
This is the only blanket they use. This one in, this one in.
What, sheets?
Yeah.
No, them have other sheets. Because the people donate other sheets to them and stuff.
Oh yeah, I forgot other people donate as well.
Yeah.
Sweets. And you don't need to give them many, they eat it all the
No,
time.
she must spend them. What they so big when because someone give
Can you give them? That's nice though, you're kind.
I'm alone not getting done.
Why?
Say what?
More?
Yes, Daddy. I don't worry about it.
Yeah. Are we at the ID? So this is the, yeah. So just,
I could tell bad like
yeah, but the dad was doing the work, so we just come try to help him now. Yeah. So he can finish off.
Come here, come here.
So when you live here, you can farm. So
This time I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too. It won't be long till I come back. I won't leave it for a million.
And when you go foreign, I want to have a safe journey. And may God bless you and may God cover you in the name of Jesus. I pray.
Cranberry baptized, you know. You didn't see Cranberry baptized the other day. We take on the time, you know.
No,
oh, no, it's steep now.
Just a real life.
We are tired until.
Because you were sliding on it.
Hold on, tired, hold on.
No. May I take off the slippers?
Yeah.
Come here, Diamond Sale.
Yeah, what's your sister?
Give me the ball, come in. I make you drop in it, you drop me off a bar right now.
I'm not them careful.
Hold on.
Yeah, come on.
Come.
I want that smell.
Come.
And the fall cover.
Oh, me for all your hand.
You know?
Cranberry, come here, no?
Oh, I don't remember saying mother that, but you know, sister, me I walk up with my sister. I took from where I'm finding to clean out the pen too.
That's has to be a second mom as well.
That's what she said. She said I'm my mom.
And him is my
So that's
father.
mommy and that's daddy.
Yeah. Hold on, yes, I'm say she don't know, I can't do that. Come, sister.
Come here.
I saw my father here.
So,
No, people must know Cranberry.
yeah, that's what I tell you, man. She's a handful.
There's no way nobody can do
Cranberry is a handful. That's the wrong way not going now.
I don't know wrong we are right we.
You want to come here, so now pick up the bag around and say no.
Which part? Unless we don't want to wait here and bring the bags and come then?
Yeah.
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 Hey, come. I thought we are done it when we bring the bag.
Put that in
Did you not just see? Nothing, go.
Don't.
It's calm, go. Sorry, I just shouldn't
What she show you?
What is it?
Lizard just jumped up on there.
Tire.
Dim.
Come, man, come.
Where?
There's no lizard.
It jumped up there, it's gone.
It's gone.
If I'm going there, you know it's
you
gone.
never said nothing.
I
If
swear
you
to
walk
God,
up
I
here
saw
scared
it.
of it,
No,
so you
I
wouldn't
saw
see it and
it.
stand up so
But it was a
calm.
baby one, I swear.
Yeah, charge them for a lizard no matter how small it is, you know.
You can't run joke
I
like that
swear
up
I
here, so
saw
that
it jump up there.
because. What did I say?
Nobody run, listen, you can't run downhill, you know. You run downhill and don't stop. I don't hear it's a different rules.
Come down. Come, Daddy, you is the biggest now. Wow.
Wait, don't cross yet, you know, wait.
Hey, don't cross. gone already.
Hey, so then across easy. Go, then across easy. I'd rock them in a tell you so you could cross on. Yeah.
Hey.
Just jump cross there, you're athletic, you know. Diamond, you're a runner. Watch tire now. Watch tire. Tire ain't gonna jump. Well, more chicken left back.
The man them.
Oh, the man them.
Them like eat.
Watch if I cook rice with it. Yeah, guarantee, say. Guarantee, say, watch if I cook rice with piece of chicken. Go, chef, I pay rice, them man cook, you know. Yeah. Yeah, with him chicken leg. Oh. Daniela, show them how you do it, Daniela. No, turn on no AC for her. Where go? Like you go fun her.
Yes, my look sound up on my yard for fun.
So you happy to see your sister?
Yes.
You sure? But she'll go already. You don't want to stay with you? Grand ball? I'm there, she's gonna cry. What that?
Helicopter.
What you say?
Helicopter.
Take a ball, she'll go.
She's not gonna bowl.
She not ball, she? Dog shot
So she don't know some now ball and some sister come back in goods and then
she not come back, which good?
When you come out,
yeah.
okay. Mother, yeah, some go down, we bring down Harry.
Yeah.
So she has said, to come tell us, we have to pay the taxi and get back
Churn, Go on.
So I have to love my sister.
Come to Diamond.
Come to Diamond, you can probably make him go. Come. Look at that, you have to mother one. See? They put them so we can walk different parts. Your father not sliding in hot shoes. The father buy brand new shoes and you want it. Not here. And I tell her that it. But why it was not bush?
What boom there?
Boom look like him pass away because see the water over.
Oh.
Say, not bring over by water. Look the water on the bike.
Which water?
all the water in town already, water over.
Oh, God, you see the back water up on the water up on the table, me at all. And the water that's on the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's it called? I follow.
Come. See her then. One guy there. Boom.
Come on. Yeah, down the money, down there already.
Well,
Me get a name there.
unfortunately, them couldn't get to swim, you know, because of the river, you know. Unfortunately.
You know that is?
I tell your sister. Your sister take long to get ready.
All she get long to ready. We're glad. Because I have stopped for by the KFC. So I'm happy she come too.
And bring
and may God bless her in the name of Jesus, I pray.
She bring KFC food now.
Yeah, she should eat too and gone.
Solid! Alright.
You know the ball shot? The cream shot.
Where is any fruit?
Them not ready. You know, Kina? A 2 jackfruit we eat, you know?
Don't have one of the sweetie?
Yeah.
So you start eat already?
Because she take up the pack for bring her where we are go.
But you should have put everything in a one bag.
No, we put on some.
No, I mean like you should have opened all of them and throw them in one bag. So everybody can get some of everything.
No, true. My father said no one. What are them pull? Because I say when the whole of them pull, if no what we are eat, be a sweetie. That's why I tell she. So she share. But you know what, I have to give my sister. When she name them 2 there in her car, I have to give them to Skin. You know. She still have more to give them to. I don't have to cuss in there, you know.
So who would have picked them up here and them already yet?
Nobody. So that one they ready.
Them ain't already yet. Them waste all of the apple them. Yeah, them waste all of the apple them could them. No, them gonna drop out the people lick them off. Yeah.
Cranberry pick them and washing them again. The girl come here yesterday.
People lick them off, man, them already.
She not pick the green one them, Kina, I believe she. She picked the red one them and left the green one them.
She come here yesterday.
And picked the red one them and left the green.
Esther, look at that batch out of the bag there. Come and get your sister in and hug your sister and tell her you're going.
Hi sister, have a safe journey and may God bless you. Know.
So you're not going with her?
You want to go and can't go. So you're careful?
No, well, you're not going to airport.
Yeah.
see I go with the next sister them.
And it say bye to your mom.
Bye. I love you. Bye.
So you tell your sister you love her too?
Yeah, I love
see
you.
see your mom around yesterday. Okay, baby.
Very nice to meet you.
No, I'm going into
They're saying like hello.
Go and Toko, shy up and gone. Go along, Toko.
Bye. When I meet you down there,
Where they going? Where they going?
No, they're going to the Grand. They're going down to a place called Come On. Alright guys, so anyway it's time to push out, so we're going to head in Trenchtown and drop them all off. We got to head Trenchtown first still. We're going Trenchtown first.
You got something?
Yeah.
Trenchtown we are going.
Yeah guys, I know the thing goes, so Cranberry finally get her to meet her sister, Diamond around there. You know, I meet her other sister them, Nene. Where's Nene and JD? Around there. Well, Cranberry is a handful. Yeah, I'm glad Ty you come get the experience.
Yes, Cranberry is lovely. I like her.
Yeah. She come get the experience, boy. Cranberry is something else, you know, like. Yeah, she's a handful. She's more than a handful. She's full of handful. This is them family as well too.
Okay.
Cranberry them family too.
Oh, there's enough of them.
Yeah. walking. See them down there, so watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.